We'll guide you through how to understand Netlify pricing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Netlify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu and click on the Pricing tab. Here, you'll see an overview of the different pricing plans available. Netlify offers several plans, including a free tier, Pro, Business, and Enterprise options, each with its own set of features. The free plan is great for personal projects or small teams just starting out, and it includes basic features like continuous deployment, serverless functions, and a bandwidth cap. The Pro plan is ideal for small businesses and comes with additional features such as advanced analytics and team collaboration tools. The Business plan includes even more, like priority support and increased bandwidth, making it suitable for larger teams needing more resources. For large-scale projects, the Enterprise plan offers custom solutions tailored to specific needs. It's important to note the differences in included bandwidth, build minutes, and team members allowed in each tier. If you need more detailed information, you can click on each plan to see a comprehensive breakdown of what's included. Also, keep an eye out for any additional costs, such as extra build minutes or bandwidth, which could affect your billing. Understanding these elements can help you choose the right plan based on your project's needs and budget. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.